Nexus Lobo here at the Little Anthony's Halloween, October 31st, 2015 car show. I'm going to be going through and showing you all the different cars, exhibits, and costumes that people are using and wearing and having just a great old time. Straight off the bat, we got Misunderstood right here. Ford Skyliner, really nice. Interior is absolutely marvelous. Look at the nice chrome horn and that steering.
Well, good
Those were the days.
Welcome to Little Anthony's Diner for our Cruise and Car Show tonight, Halloween edition. Yes, we will be having a costume contest tonight, and that'll begin a little after 7 o'clock tonight. A little after 7 o'clock, we'll be having our costume contest. Got lots of nice prizes. We'll have 3 or 4 categories of prizes and people, and so plan on getting your costume on and having it on by 7 o'clock tonight, and we will be having some costume contests and some good prizes for you, and looking forward to a wonderful evening here tonight. If you have not yet registered your vehicle, please do so by coming up in front of Little Anthony's to the carport, and there you'll find Cindy and London doing their usual fine job of registering cars tonight. And I want you to go up there and get your car registered. Tonight's charity is going to be the Gospel Rescue Mission's Thanksgiving dinner.
Let's go for riding it, that's all I
To
need.
that.
Yeah, I don't want
And so we'll be having that as our charity tonight. And also we'll be doing a 50-50 for them, and we want you to get a ticket for that, and that's $1 each or $65. Also, the diner is open, of course, and go in there.
Actually, this is like a
great diner food. And if you want to eat outside, the diner bill is open with hot dogs, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, nachos.
Say hello to YouTube, man.
Hot dogs.
Nice ride.
Pizza, ice cream, soda, chips, candy, all of that right now at the Dynamo Bill, and you can just enjoy it right out here at the parking lot. Sit down at our picnic benches and enjoy it right out here right now tonight. And I see Dave and Tina are back with us tonight. Good to have them here. So whenever you see them, please bother them a lot tonight.
Oh, hang on, YouTubers, I got a treat for you. Look at these guys. They are fantastic. No costumes for them tonight?
No.
Nah.
I was wishing. I didn't know I was going to be here tonight.
Looking
Otherwise,
forward
I
to
would
a great
have.
crowd. Glad you're with us. And here are a few appropriate songs from Halloween.
You don't mind all that weight.
That's it, that's their heavy. Close. Here, I got a picture of it. Look out here.
Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to YouTube, man.
How you doing?
All righty. How you like? Is this yours?
Yeah.
How you liking it? You got the Hemi in it? Excellent. You didn't put an oil catch can in it, did you? Okay, good, good, good.
Oh, yeah?
This is a real desert rat vehicle there, complete with headsets. Looks like a fast attack vehicle we used to use in Desert Storm. And look how ruggedly set up that is suspension-wise. Unbelievable.
Got a Corvette. Get out of here. Well, at least you put good parts in it.
These internet's a little slower off the mark.
Holy shit, look at that truck. That is bad boy.
I hate stepping on the rock.
Nice little gasser here. 57.
That's working there for
Beautiful interior. Look at that dash. Nice.
Hey, Adrian. Hey.
Nice little goat here. Beautiful blue. Another nice gasser.
On the ground. Hang on. No, I've tried to.
And this is the driver right here. Say hello to YouTube.
Maybe I need to help you. I don't like the road. Oh, I got it. We got a whole
Boy, jingle bells already.
That's your kid.
That's not his.
Sweet Chevy. Look at that paint job. Look at that interior. Absolutely immaculate.
They were up to no good. Didn't act like good ones they should. They found themselves a new grave. They planned to rob Santa's sleigh. The money was to signal from the castle. The very first sound of a reindeer hood. Santa sneaked down the chimney wall. The zombies were to make off with sleigh and all. From beyond the moat, there arose such a clatter. I jumped to the window to see what was the matter. Like a bolt of lightning, it happened so quick. There in our midst.
It costs extra, huh? Sweet. Say hello to YouTubers. All right.
Nice old school Corvette.
And all ended well. Santa was really swell. No need to rob zombies. So the children everywhere were spared to grieve. Losing their presents to monsters. The monsters lost Santa and his
Beautiful 58 Impala. Nice.
That's like 10 grand lower.
It's a 2014 Dodge Charger RT 100th anniversary with the 5.7 liter Hemi, upgraded, full air intake, Flowmaster exhaust, 91 tune, and several other little sweet things. The interior has that 100th anniversary badging and a seat back, leather, Napa leather, flat bottom steering wheel, excellent complete dash, rear seats, leather. And this is the Star Wars car. Nice little Mustang. Look at that. There's my father.
There you go.
And I walked up and I seen him.
Use the force.
Use the force, Luke.
Say hello to YouTube, guys.
Hello.
I'm Nexus Lobo. You catch me on YouTube. Got a vlog there.
Awesome.
Hey, check him out. That's what I'm talking about. Isn't he the cutie? Hey, you the driver or what?
R2D2's driving.
R2D2.
Over the steering wheel, that's why I took
It's just like somebody help me from here. Somebody help me. We need a bigger air filter. Please don't. Yeah, I'm gonna be in every one of your friends, bro.
That's all right. That's all right. It's YouTube. Everybody loves to say hello to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
All right. Man, you gotta eat, dude. You're losing a lot of weight. Damn, man. You gotta stop eating that seafood. And stay away from the lakes. Say hello to YouTube, man.
Hey, YouTube. Right there in that truck right there.
College kids come out here.
Across the parking lot. There used to be Albertsons over there. It was a parking lot. It was doing a power break and the smoke was so bad. And we were watching. Just burning out and Mark's standing there and he was laughing my ass off. I don't think this is fun. I got a ticket. Did you? I came in on the road? No, it was in the parking lot. My little drive was pulled in.
Betty Boop?
Yeah. And was that a road? But no, I think I did it. I did it beside like there's that building, that beside building. Shop was a building. Anyways, I went to Jackson Box next night. Next night? Maybe it was later that night. I don't know. No, I think it was later that night.
So I told you that I was going to have to pass it next
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello to YouTube too.
Look at that sweet interior. Wow. $160 miles per hour on the speedo. Well, you got it, folks. I'm gonna do this part one. I'll be doing a part two. The show is still just starting. There's many more cars to come. So Nexus Lobo is signing off until part two comes along. Have a happy Halloween and a safe one. Bye all.